Are you noticing those small memory slips? Forgetting where you put your keys, or walking into a room and wondering why you're there. You're not alone, and today I'm sharing something exciting: 7 scientifically proven foods that can actually boost your memory after 50. These aren't just any foods, they're delicious, accessible, and backed by research. Stay with me until the end, because food number 7 is something you probably have in your kitchen right now. In fact, when researchers tested it on people our age, they were amazed to see memory improvement of up to 28%. Imagine remembering names, dates, and details like you did 20 years ago. Number 1. Blueberries, the memory superstar. Let me tell you why scientists call these little blue gems brain berries. Think of your brain as a busy city, with millions of messages trying to get from one place to another. Blueberries contain special compounds called anthocyanins that act like traffic controllers, helping these messages flow smoothly. What's amazing is that these compounds can actually cross into your brain, something very few foods can do. People in our studies who ate blueberries regularly started remembering things better in just 3 months. Here's what I love to do. I toss half a cup into my morning yogurt or smoothie. And here's a money-saving tip: frozen ones work just as well as fresh. Number 2. Fatty fish, the brain builder. Did you know your brain is actually 60% fat? That's right, and it's constantly craving the right kind of fat to stay sharp. This is where salmon, mackerel, and sardines come in. These fish are like premium fuel for your brain. Imagine your brain cells as a massive team trying to communicate. The special fat in these fish, called DHA, helps them build better connections. It's like upgrading from an old dial-up internet to high-speed broadband. The best part? You only need 2 servings a week to see results. My favorite easy recipe is coming up in just a minute. Number 3. Dark chocolate, the happy memory maker. Now here's some news that'll make you smile. Yes, chocolate is on our list. But not just any chocolate, we're talking about dark chocolate with 70% cocoa or higher. When you bite into a piece of dark chocolate, something magical happens. It releases compounds that increase blood flow to your brain, kind of like opening up tiny highways in your mind. Plus, it contains a gentle amount of caffeine that helps you focus better. One of my viewers, Sarah, told me she started keeping 2 squares of dark chocolate in her desk drawer for afternoon meetings, and she noticed she was remembering client details much better. Number 4. Turmeric, the golden memory spice. Now, let me share something fascinating about this golden spice that's creating quite a buzz in the scientific community. Inside turmeric is a compound called curcumin that does something quite remarkable. It can actually cross into your brain and clear away the proteins that make our memory foggy. Think of it like a gentle street sweeper, keeping the paths in your brain clean and clear. But here's the trick most people don't know about: turmeric needs a partner to work its magic. When you combine it with just a pinch of black pepper, its power increases by an amazing 2000%. One of our community members, Bob, started adding a 1/4 teaspoon to his morning smoothie, and after 2 months, he noticed he wasn't having to write down his shopping lists anymore. His memory had improved that much. I'll show you my favorite golden memory boosting drink recipe in just a minute. Number 5. Pumpkin seeds, the zinc powerhouse. These little seeds might look humble, but they're actually one of nature's most powerful memory boosters. Inside each seed is a mineral called zinc that your brain absolutely craves. Imagine your brain as a vast library. Zinc helps keep all the books, your memories, properly organized and easy to find. But that's not all. These seeds also contain magnesium, which helps calm your mind and reduce stress, and we all know how stress can make us forgetful. Here's what amazes me. Just a small handful of these seeds contains more memory-boosting zinc than a large piece of steak. I keep a small container in my car for afternoon snacking, and many of my viewers tell me they've replaced their usual snacks with these brain-boosting seeds. The best part? They're budget-friendly and don't need refrigeration. Number 6. Leafy greens, the memory protectors. This next one might make you smile or grimace, but stay with me, because this is absolutely fascinating. Those leafy greens your mother always told you to eat. Well, it turns out she was onto something incredible. Scientists recently discovered that people who eat just 1 cup of leafy greens daily have brains that function as if they were 11 years younger. Yes, you heard that right, 11 years younger. Think about that. What would it feel like to have the sharp memory you had a decade ago? These greens, especially spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are packed with something called lutein, which acts like a shield for your brain cells. And here's a little secret: you don't have to eat huge salads to get the benefits. I'll share my simple, sneaky greens technique that makes getting your daily dose absolutely delicious. Even my grandkids can't tell they're eating them. One of our viewers, Linda, started adding them to her morning smoothie, and within weeks, she noticed she wasn't misplacing her phone anymore. The transformation can be that quick. Number 7. Eggs, the brain's best friend. Now for the surprising superhero sitting in your refrigerator right now, the humble egg. But there's nothing humble about what it can do for your memory. Inside each egg, especially in the yolk, is a special nutrient called choline that your brain absolutely loves. Think of choline as a master builder, helping your brain create stronger communication networks. One fascinating study showed that people who ate just one egg a day were better at remembering important dates and names. The best part? It doesn't matter how you prepare them, scrambled, boiled, or in an omelette, you'll still get all these amazing benefits. And yes, you can eat the whole egg without worry. Now, let me share my favorite memory-boosting menu that combines these superfoods. Picture starting your day with a delicious blueberry smoothie with a handful of spinach, you won't even taste it. For lunch, imagine a colorful plate with flaky salmon on a bed of crisp greens, sprinkled with crunchy pumpkin seeds. When that afternoon slump hits, instead of reaching for cookies, try a square of rich dark chocolate with a warming cup of golden turmeric tea. And for dinner, how about a fluffy omelette packed with colorful vegetables? It's like feeding your brain a feast of memory-boosting nutrients. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these brain-boosting foods surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this information as fascinating as my other viewers have, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. Together, we can keep our minds sharp and young. Here's a fun question. What's the most interesting thing you learned today about food and memory? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Remember, it's never too late to give your brain the nutrients it needs. Subscribe for more videos on staying vibrant and healthy after 50. Next week, I'm sharing a morning routine that can boost your energy by 40%. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next video.